early. It's like 7 a.m. Yeah, and today is the 4th. The 4th of December, and the 4th of December is my name's day. And I'm not sure, do you know what that means? But it means that in the whole 365 days, there's one day with your saint name, I think. Just kind of rings a bell. Like Mary's would come up 16 times in a year or less, but the idea is that the day after your birthday is your name's day. Saint Barbara is only once per year, and it is on the 4th of December. It's also a coal miners celebrating day, so I wish all the coal miners a happy year. An amazing day today. Okay, let's open up. I always open up this one first, so let's go with this beauty. I started my full of minis hat. So here it is. This is a beautiful yarn. It will match perfectly. And there is a cool, oh, such a cute stitch marker and progress keeper. I love this. And the tea for today. Next one. Ta-da! Oh yes, here it is. That's a high twist. And fondant fibers spungle. Sport Merino Nylon Stellina. It is a sparkle, super natural, part of my snow melt shawl again. So here it is, here's the beauty. And I knit a snow melt shawl, you can definitely find in my playlist shawls, and it involves loads of colors. 3, 4, it's a huge shawl. I need to wear it one day. Okay. Because we're heading to meet Lisa and to Ikea when we are going on a trip. Okay, quickly before we go, I'm having chimney hat and cowl. I have this beautiful pullover by Vicky design, and I love it because it goes with my trousers, but it goes with my outfit, and on the top to stay warm, kind of my coat sweater. So here it is, this is the 3rd day. I run out of the yarn, but that's not an issue. I'll just add another 4 and I'll be going around. It will not affect the sleeve ball thingies anyway, so lovely. Let's swap now for something else. Advent calendar that I got from Diane, and I'm holding a double on 3.5 millimeters. I'm going to play with it, so we shall see how it goes. It might be an interesting pattern for the future, or it may not be. We shall see how it goes. And here it is. It's not going to be a gift knit. I probably will keep this hat for myself, but I'm using this beautiful pouch, which is gift knitting. And yarn from Diane, bag from Diane. I love this double. Perfect for taking photos. Now, so the swap is taking its place, and I got knit great swap. So, and the color that I swapped was the gold one, and I now have 4 skeins of this. So thank you so much, Lisa. Oh, it was so nice to meet you. Just a quick one, if you don't know what a knit crate is, check any of my unboxing. There is a KL 20% off for your first unbox. I may leave a link down below for the vlogs. I'm not really fancy doing that, but check any of my unboxing and you will know all. I love Knit Crate membership, to be honest. They're like 4 or 5 boxes, but this is just divine. This is what we got as an extra for our trip.
Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you, Lisa. Now, which one is your favorite? Let me know. Which one is your favorite? Short break because Seb is getting a bottle, 16 liters bottle for the wastewater for our camper van, and my first mini from Advent Calendar from Diane, and I figure out that I will want to have a bit showing off before I do my folded brim, because you know I love folded brims, so why not do them if I love them. And now I finished a second mini and I'm going to start third one. I'm going to start a third one, so that's the beauty. I know I'm going to have more than I think to knit a hat, but I'm thinking then I will knit more hats. Why not? Now look at this. I was playing just with some slip stitches and it looks really cool. I know it's completely different color, but it kind of reminds me, you know, when I was a kid I was messing with the colors, so I'm going to have fun with it, and I think it's really nice. Definitely no one else is going to have a hat like this. So cute. That's that. 1, 2, 3. I'm opening the 4th one today. We shall see what that is. Now, hunting time. We're in Ikea. I've never had a breakfast in Ikea, so we're going to do that because someone is saying that it's quite good. So let's see. Him, me. Use steps. People. Good for your health. Go on, motivate ourselves. Yay. It's quite an interesting knitting place. What do you think? And he's walking with it. And here,
Christmas tree.
oh, that's good. Thank you for your orders. I'm trying to send every day. And just to let you about my website, my shop, it's not Shopify. I have a website that it's updated from time to time, and if that happens, my cart only lets one item at a time. But if you do multiply orders, no worries, I will refund you the difference of the shipping. Or the other option is that you can wait for a bit and wait until that upload finishes. Always refresh your website too. Sorry about that. I know I should finish with some nice Christmassy accent, but seriously, I'll be doing this. And this. Yes! Okay, it looks that I'm doing it myself. Let's see.